Superpower 3 is listen. Stop, look, listen. Now, listen is very similar to look, except we're listening to what's going on in our body. So, it could be that I tend to get louder when I'm excited, when I am upset, when I'm mad, when I'm sad, I get louder. So that is something that I could notice. And actually, maybe the students can also say, hey, Miss Leanne, you got louder. Is there something going on? Do you need to use your superpowers to calm down? So that's a sign that I know that when I scan my body that something's going on because I all of a sudden got louder. I also, I can hear my breathing is louder. I can hear my heart rate. My heart rate's louder now just talking about this, and that's again probably just because I'm a little excited about talking about this wonderful superpower. Often with me, it would be like tapping on the floor with my knee bouncing. Maybe we'll hear that. So again, how I would introduce this would be exactly that. After the students know the Hedgy Calm action song, they know how to use stop, you're playing the freeze games, they're starting to do look. Listen is just to follow up. It's actually really fun because, to listen to what's going on in your body is actually really interesting because, again, before I learned these techniques myself, I never did it. So now that I know how to do it, I hear certain things going on in my body. Now, this may get silly. We all know this. With young children or even older children or adults, there are sounds our body makes that are funny. So there may be the tooting jokes, the farting, the belching, the burping. But there's also stuff like laughing, which is a good sound. So it's okay to let them go there. And then this is a great learning moment. Go there, laugh with your students, and then remind them that this is a safe place, that because you're working on this superpower listen, that we are talking about the sounds our body makes, and tooting and burping are sounds our body makes. But this is also something that is not acceptable everywhere. So again, this is just a reminder that we can't be burping and farting everywhere. But in this space, we're just kind of getting in tune with ourselves, and that we also do want to learn that we don't always burp and fart either. So again, you can have it be silly, but then bring it back to being serious, because there's a lot of other different sounds that our body makes, and maybe they can start tuning into those sounds. So here we go. This is again a very great superpower. Listen.